Good morning guys, in front of me is Tefal Cook4me and let me show you how to set up some manual mode. So at first, from main panel, select manual mode and now you can configure it. At first, mark what you want to do. So let me pick, for example, pressure cooking. Then choose the setting. That can be high pressure. Then manage time. Tap on OK. And now you can click on start to activate it, or you can mark delayed cooking and decide what time it is. Tap on OK. Then what time should it end, and then mark start here. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.